Hi, I'm Hedrick. I'm an IELTS instructor here at KTDC. Well, I started teaching IELTS back in about 2012, and I've also worked as an IELTS examiner at British Council for about 6 or 7 years. I try to keep the learning environment somewhat relaxed. There's a lot of hard work that needs to be done, but I don't like to overwhelm the students and always have them feeling like everything is stressful that they're doing. So we try to have a little bit of fun while still getting the work done that needs to get done. In terms of methodology, I try to have students work together in teams and collaborate on projects that deal with specific tasks in the IELTS test. And also there's a lot of sub-skill development because their success depends largely just on improving their general English skills. The key is to be consistent with self-study. Students typically come here to the center 2 or 3 times a week, but there's all this time in between classes where they can be doing things that will improve their skills. So I try to show them ways that they can practice and get better. But like I said at the beginning, the key is to be consistent. You just have to keep doing the things that you know work day in and day out. You know, their progress is not going to be like a straight line up. It's going to be jagged. There's going to be peaks and valleys, and they just have to understand that there's going to be times when there's a little bit of progress and then other times where it's going to speed up. I will say that regardless of which teacher your student studies with, you're getting teachers that are very experienced, very accomplished, and have been teaching IELTS for many, many years. We believe in making the students do the work, letting them fail and make mistakes so that they can get better. That's really the only way to get better. They have to be willing to make mistakes, but we are always there to help them and guide them so that they can keep improving.